Thanksgiving, everyone. This is my Stitch Fix number 2 for November. Let's see what's in the box. Alright, so I'm going to open it off camera here, hopefully. My hubby helped me out. There we go. Ooh, I see something great. It is, hubby, you didn't help me out. There we go. So, of course, we have our send back bag and our information, which I'm going to just pull out the price sheet for right this minute and get that ready. Alrighty. I got shoes again. I'm so excited. I love shoes, if you haven't noticed. Ooh, these are nice. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look at those. Those are totally Kimberly. These are Tom's wedges. Oh, those look comfy. Hopefully they size me. Well, hopefully Tom's don't run small, because the last pair, you saw my last Stitch Fix, they were a little tight. So, oh yeah, these are nice. Now, we'll have to see if this wedge is too high or not. So, very nice. I can't wait to try these on. Alright, so we're going to put those off to the side. And those were I'm going to put my glasses on, the Tom's Kayla Suede Wedge Booty, and those are $90. And they did send me a half size up. They sent me a 10. So that's cool. Ooh, the bundle is big. I don't know if I can get it out here. Hold on. Holy moly. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Got some great colors in here. We've got some burgundies and greens and a black and some jeans again. So hopefully we have some good luck with these jeans. Let's open this. So I'm sure you've noticed that we've got a new setup behind us. So we're going high tech with the green screen. So give us some feedback and let us know if you like it or not. All right. Here we are. Okay, let's start here. Okay, this is like a sweater material. Oh, it's a cardigan. Okay, it's a very lightweight cardigan. I love this color. It's just your basic lightweight cardigan with the little front shark's tooth draping. No closure, no pockets. Just a real basic cardigan. We'll have to see how that looks. It's a little thin, so we'll have to see what the price is on there. So let's see who that is by. That cardigan is by Magnolia Grace, Lena Cashmere, open drape, dark purple in a 2X. This is cashmere. Holy moly. This is going to be pricey, I think. This is real cashmere. Nice. And let's see. Cashmere is $98. It's a little pricey. We'll have to see. Okay. Ooh. Wow. Now, we live in Southern California, so it doesn't get extremely cold in Southern California for the winter. So vests are always a great option. So here's this vest. Oh my gosh. This is a nice vest. It's in a green color, so hopefully you can see it with the green screen. It's got a hood, which is detachable, which is nice. It's got front pockets right here. Really cool. Buttons in the front, and it zips. Let's see if it's lined really well. Let me open this up here. Okay, yeah, we just have your basic green lining, and it's a puffer type vest. So that's really nice. Ooh, it's heavy too. That's a nice vest. So let's see who the vest is by. So it's Tarte Rory Twill Puffer Vest in Olive 2X for $88. So we'll have to see if that's going to work out. Alright, then we got a black sweater. Just your basic black sweater, which shows every piece of lint ever. So this is really nice. It has this detail here in the arm which goes all the way down. So we'll have to see how that looks. It's kind of like a braid detail. It's a basic black sweater with that detail on the arm. So let's see who this is by. Black sweater. It's Skyzer Blue Medea cutout sleeve cotton sweater in black, 2X for $68. So we'll have to see. Not sure about that. And last but not least, we have a pair of NYDJ jeans, which are straight leg. They're not in a super dark wash. I really wanted like a super dark wash, like the darkest blue you can get. So we'll have to try these out and see. Let's see how much. Let's see, they got pockets in the front. Yep, pockets in the back. Straight leg, no distressing, just a basic jean. And let's see how much these are. NYDJ Sherry Slim straight leg jeans in indigo 20W for $109. Okay, well, we'll have to try this all on and see how it looks. So give us a few seconds and we'll come back and we'll do our try on and we'll get your feedback and see what you think. All right, we're back. So I have on the vest with the hood. So I wanted to show you the hood. It's a pretty big hood. It's comfy too. I like this vest, even though it's probably not, you won't get that cold in California for a vest. But I wanted to show you, and I wanted to show you how it removes. I just unbutton it all the way around. Okay, now the hood is off. So how does that look? The hood off. I have it zipped up all the way, so we'll unzip it shortly. I'm going to toss the hood out of the way. There it goes. All right. So if you can pan down, I'd like to show you the pockets on this. We've got snaps right here. And you just unsnap and you can put your hands in it. It's at a very comfortable height and depth on the vest. And if you, I'm going to turn around so you can see the back of the vest. It's really a very nice, well-fitting vest. Here, let me turn, I'm going to unzip it now. Get that bottom button. So then you can wear it open. I probably wouldn't wear it, well, I might wear it open if it gets warm, but, and then the lining, of course. So I really like it. It's very military-ish because of the color, but it's super, super comfortable. So I'm going to take the vest off and we're going to pan down to the jeans. I like these jeans. As I wait for the camera to go down to the jeans, we're going to toss the vest aside. Okay, so this is my shirt. So I'm going to pan down to the jeans. These are straight leg, not your daughter jeans. They're very comfortable. They're a high rise, but if you notice on the bottom, I've cuffed them with the shoes because they are too short to wear with a wedge shoe like this. So I've had to cuff them. Again, I'm not looking for a pair of pants in this color. I need it darker, especially if they're going to be this form-fitting, because the darker hides all your bumps and lumps. But for comfort-wise, they're a great jean and they pass the bend test. As you pan down, you'll see the Tom's wedge booties, which as I'm standing here, I should say, they're getting more and more comfortable. And usually that doesn't happen, and I thought this wedge might be too high, but these are super duper comfortable. I love these. So I really like the wedges and I like the vest so far. So hubby's gonna pan back up. So right now I am going to go and try on the black sweater and come right back, and then we'll try on the burgundy cardigan, the cashmere cardigan. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back with the black sweater. So it's very comfortable, I will say that. I'm a little concerned with how short the sleeves are. I'm just not, it's like not 3/4 but not full length, so I'm not real sure. I'm going to turn sideways so you can see the detail on the arms, which is really cool. I like it. See, can you get into there? Yep. Okay. So that's the detail on the arms themselves. I find myself picking little lint things and pieces of hair off it because you can see it. But it feels almost like a sweatshirt instead of a sweater. I think it fits fine around the hips and the stomach area. I'm standing here and I almost feel like it's like falling off my shoulders for some reason. I don't know if it's the detailing that makes it feel that way. But, so I'm going to turn around so you can see the back. It's just plain black. And then turn back around so you can see the front. And I'm still wearing those jeans. They're comfortable, but they're just not dark enough for me. So that's the black sweater. And we'll go over the names and prices again at the end. So that's black sweater. I'm going to go try on the burgundy cashmere sweater, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and I have on the plum colored cashmere cardigan, which I'm pairing with my shirt. I don't know if you remember, but about 2 Stitch Fixes ago I got this shirt, and it has this burgundy color in it, so I thought that was really nice. Have the jeans on and the boots still on, and I really love this sweater. So please give me your feedback and let me know if you like how it looks. I'm going to turn around so you can see it from the back very slowly. Turning around, covers the bum. So I'm going to turn back around slowly. And that is the cashmere cardigan. And it is nice. It feels great. And I think it looks really good with this shirt that I purchased a couple Stitch Fixes ago. So let me do this. We're going to go grab all the items, bring them back. We're going to sit down and we're going to review and see what we like and go over the prices, and we'll see you in a moment. What did you think of those items? I thought that they were fantastic. I really did. I'm even toying with the idea that this might be a 5 for 5. So let's go over the items one more time, talk about the pricing, and see if it's something that I'm willing to invest in. So let's start off with the Toms. So the Toms, again, here they are, the wedge booty in this like taupey, really light color. See? And they're very comfortable. I really like them. The only thing I would think about doing would be to get some of those supports for the pads of your foot, just to kind of raise it up, because I do have some room here, just to give me some more lift, and I think they would be super comfortable. I really like these booties. So those are the Toms, and those are the Kayla Suede wedge booty in tan, size 10. So she did size me up. These are $90. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to get those. Then let's talk about the sweater that I'm still wearing. This is the Magnolia Grace Lena Cashmere Open Drape sweater in what they call dark purple. I would call it almost like an eggplant. And it is $98. So I'm wearing it, so I'm probably more than likely going to keep it. Then next is the Tarte Collection puffer vest. And I really liked this vest. I love the fact that the hood can be removed, and it's got great pockets and a good spot, and it fits wonderfully. The only thing I noticed when I was reviewing the clothes again, there's a flaw in the fabric here. So I'll just see if I can exchange it for a new one, and hopefully we won't have that issue, because I really like this vest and I want to keep it. So already we're at 3 for 3. So the wild cards that are coming up next are the jeans, and these were the NYDJ, let me get the pricing for you. The NYDJ Shari Slim Straight Leg Jean in Indigo for $109. So one, the price tag, $100, which for the most part I don't mind spending $100 on a pair of jeans, but they have to be perfect. And these were a little short, so I'd have to cuff them to wear with boots. And the color isn't quite as dark as I want. So if I end up thinking about getting all 5 pieces, which I really am considering, I would see if I could get this in a darker color. Now I'm not sure if that can happen. If I can't get it in a darker color, then I may have to make some tough decision as far as what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep. Because the last thing I want to do is have a $100 pair of jeans that I'm like about. So I really want to love these. And last but not least is our black sweater, which is showing every little piece of lint. But I like this. It was very comfortable. My husband really liked the detail on the side. And if I was going to consider buying all 5 pieces, this one being the least expensive item, let's read again what that was. And that is the Skies Are Blue Media cutout sleeve cotton top black 2X, $68. So if I'm going to keep all 5 pieces, then I wouldn't be opposed to keeping this as well. I just have to get my lint brush out. So again, like I said, I really think that this is a great box. My stylist's name is Amy, and I'm going to bring, can I bring this up to the camera, or just will you insert it, or?
Yeah, I'll just insert it.
Okay, so I'll let him know. So because of our setup, my hubby's going to insert the pictures, the styling suggestions that we have here, but I'm going to read real quick. My stylist's name is Amy, and she's been sticking with me, and I give kudos to Amy because I'm a tough cookie sometimes, and you know, I gotta really like it, and I really like everything. The jeans darker color, the sweater, it's okay, but for 5 for 5 for the discount, I liked everything. So Amy just says, "Hi Kimberly, I'm so happy to hear the style of your last fix was a great match. I'm so sorry the styles didn't work out as always. She loves my feedback. She's sending me cozy looks for the upcoming holidays. Noticed a few great vest looks on your Pinterest, so she sent the olive vest. She pairs the NYGJ jeans. Thought you would love these jeans to wear with ankle booties for this fall. She had the tan toms that I had pinned, and then she was playing around with sizings to decide what was the best fit, and she made it right. She was perfect in sizing up to a 10. And then the cashmere cardigan. Hope you will love, enjoy, best Amy." So Amy, great job. Thank you so much. Let's talk about the totals, and then we're out of here. So our subtotal for all items was $453. Our buy all discount was $113.25, bringing our box to $339.75. So it is Thanksgiving, a month before Christmas, so unless I can get those jeans in a darker wash, I'm going to have to make some tough decisions on what I'm going to keep. So from myself and Brad and our channel, Midlife Crazy, happy Thanksgiving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We appreciate all your support. If you're interested in Stitch Fix, I'll have my link below. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.